Today we'll be unboxing the Boxyluxe subscription for March 2021. So let's begin. Okay. So the Boxyluxe subscription happens, you receive it quarterly. And the other months that you are not getting this, you do get the base box. So, and of course, you pay extra to get this every quarter. So for this month, March, it is St. Patrick's Day themed Lucky. And these are the items inside. It tells you all about the products, their Instagram handles, information, and also the variation number. So this is my variation number for this box. It's C2103404-LX. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing I see here is this palette, Barbarella. Let's see. So this is by B Beauty London. It's the Barbarella eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $50. And it's a Boxy exclusive. Okay. Oops, stay open. Okay. This is what it looks like. Let's see if it has a mirror. Yes, it does. Okay. So it does have a mirror, but this is what the colors look like. So it looks like it's pretty neutral, except for the pop of blue and green over there. Actually, let's swatch it. And that one. These are the three that stood out to me. Let's see. What about this one? Okay. The blue, the green, and these other shimmers. Okay, so I feel like they don't have much of a payoff, but maybe you can always get them wet. Like if you use a wet brush, it'll have more of a payoff. But I mean, if you like neutrals mainly, you're gonna like it. So, okay. Seems like a, okay palette. Let's move on to the other items in here. Okay. So, the next item here is this Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. And this, let's see, retails for $42. I actually already have one opened already. But I'll show you what it looks like. It's really cute. I think I opened it, and I don't know if I tried it yet. Maybe once. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's really cute. It comes with a pump. I really like their designs for this brand. They're all fruits and everything. It's so cute. Okay, the next item is this Kiss the Stars Lip Plumping Mask. Interesting. I have never heard of this before. It's by Skincare. Kiss the Stars 24K Gold Lip Plumping Mask. And this retails for $42. So let's see. Has these are the ingredients. So it has aloe vera in there. It says apply an even amount to make a mask. And a mask to make up free lips. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Wash off lip mask with water. Tingling sensation is normal. It means it's working. Interesting. Okay. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's jiggly. Okay. It smells chemically. But that's the other item. And yes, this retails for $42. Let's move on. The next item is this rose quartz hair mask. And this actually I did buy to try from their add-on store. So I have tried it. And it seems to be a pretty okay mask. Not the best that I've tried, but not the worst either. So it's like an in-between. It retails for $31. But it is vegan and cruelty-free. So that's nice. The next product is this Dominique Cream Fit and Define Lip Liner in the shade Crush. Let's see. So Dominique Cosmetics, this retails for $18. So let's see. Okay. I like the color. It's a neutral brownish pinkish color. It's a pretty color though. I like it. Okay. The next item is by Fenty Beauty. It's a foundation. And it looks like they got the wrong shade for me. I don't think I would pick out this shade. I don't... Pretty sure I didn't. I think they sent me... Or did they send the right shade? I don't know. Okay, I think it looks darker in the box here. But no, I think this is right. This should be fine. I was worried for a second. Because I don't remember the number I chose. But let's see. Okay, yeah, it's very light. Yeah, it's very light. It's lighter than my hand. Okay, interesting. I do still see my, my pores or lines. So I don't know how well it's covering, but it is covering it. Okay. I don't know, I feel like I see the foundation on there. Yeah, maybe it's because I don't have a primer on my hand, but that's what this shade looks like. It's $120. Okay. Let's move on. Oh, by the way, this retails for $36. It's the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Okay. So there's 2 items left here. So let's look at this. It says Soleil Mini Heat Brush in the color Apricot. And this retails for $150. Wow. Wow. Okay. So the only thing that worries me about this is that it's mini. I have long hair. So, yeah. But this is what it looks like. So So I feel like with my long hair, it's gonna take forever to use something like this because it's small, but it is cute. I'll give it that. It is cute. Okay. Let's move on to the last item in the box. So these are by Beauty Bakery, and they're blending egg beauty sponges. So these retail for $18. So basically, okay, yeah, so as I was saying, you get them wet and you can use them as makeup blending sponges. Okay, so let's open this. I'll just rip it. It's really cute that it looks like an egg carton. So it's a cute idea, blending eggs. Okay. So there's 6 of them, 3 teal, 3 pink. This is so cute. I really like it. It's cute, like the idea of it. Yeah, it's really cute. So yeah, those are all the items in this month's Boxyluxe. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys are interested, I'll be sure to put down a link of how you can get Boxycharm subscriptions as well, only if you're interested. So as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.